This is code.org, and the club sponsor class represents a sponsor of a club and has instance variables of the name of the sponsor. All right, club sponsor, instant variables. Yep, the name of the sponsor and the list of club members. The name of the club sponsor, usually a teacher. I could be your teacher sponsor, well, depending on the club. I already have, well, this doesn't matter. Members. All right. And so we have an array of members. Now notice members is a class in and of itself, and here's that class. So we have an array of objects, which are club members, and a constructor. All right, what are we doing here? Write the method add service hours. Right here. To add a specific number of hours to a club member. To a club member, interesting. The method should have parameters club member, object, and the number of hours to add. Okay, so let's start right there. I'm going to pause and let's do that one. So it sounds like I'll do a public void add service hours. And then they told us the parameters club member. And I'm just going to call it member. Is that taken? No, it's not. And then it would be an integer. And I'll just for clarity say additional hours. Cool. All right. And then bam. Okay, so what do they want us to do? The method adds a specified number of hours to the club member current service hours. Okay, this is suspicious to me. It's saying club member current service hours. So let's go look at this class. And there we are. There is an instance variable in club member of service hours, and this must be what we're setting. Okay, so the current service hour, use get service hours. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, so we have a getter here where we can get however many service hours our member has, and then there's also a setter that allows us to change it. So we're going to get how many they have, add to it, and then set the new value. Okay, so I'm going to create a few variables here that aren't necessary, but aid in clarity, at least I think so. So int past hours is going to be equal to member, and then that, what we just saw, get service hours. We don't have to pass anything. This is our getter. So what will get returned is the service hours that that club member currently has. Now, we want to calculate new service hours, right? So now we want to take whatever they used to have, and now we have additional hours. So I'm going to do int total equals. So the new total would be past hours plus additional hours. Finally, we're now ready to use our set method and set the amount of hours the member has, updating it. Set service hours. Flip that. There we are. And then total. Right? And that should actually do it. Now, guys, keep in mind, this is a stylistic thing. If you want to, you could probably do this in one line. Let's see, we could do something like this. I'm going to undo this because this is harder to read, but this should roughly work as well, something like that. Regardless, it's the same here. All right, so let me just make sure. I'm going to hit run to see if there's errors right away. Okay, so no errors thus far. And it looks like bullet, 2, we need to test this out. So call add service hour method and print the updated club sponsor information. So we have 3 people to choose from. So might as well do all 3, I guess. And we're going to use the sponsor class because that's where our method is. And then what's our parameters? Well, it's the club member name. And then the other parameter is how many hours we want to add. So notice that it is 10 here. I'm going to go ahead and add 5, I guess, to get it to 20. And now I'm going to do this 3 times, so I'm just going to Control-C or Command-C on a Mac, copy and paste. Be careful with that. And then we need Dominic. Now, Dominic's at 15 hours. So let's say I made this one 15. I'll make this one 30. And that one 40. Oh, that's going to bother me. So now I have to make this one 20. All right. And let's test this out. Now we need to print them all out. And that's how we do it right here. We do system out, println, my sponsor. Let's give this all a shot. 30, 30. Oh, wait. What? Oh, no. Can't. Boom. 10, 15, 12, 10, 15, 12, 20, 30, 40. Looking good? Cool. Onward.